My name is Sala, and I am from Cambodia. For my father who has fallen ill, and to take responsibility for my family's livelihood, I have come to Korea for work. Create your hope with the employment permit system. I never gave up, even when times were difficult. I wanted to learn useful skills in Korea and earn money for my family.
야, 이거 좀 보고 가세요.
But I didn't know how, so I was at a loss. One day, I learned about the employment permit system. I was clueless, but the employment permit system helped me to systematically prepare to work in Korea. And thanks to the employment permit system, I was able to save a lot on the cost of coming to Korea. More than anything, being guaranteed basic equal rights as the locals put my family and me at ease. But living in a foreign land far away from home was much more difficult than I imagined. The weather in Korea was so different from home. There were many sleepless nights because I missed my family. Thankfully, many organizations in Korea understand my difficulties, and they help foreign workers like me to adapt to life in Korea. Many problems I faced were solved through the 24-hour counseling hotline. Now I can enjoy Korean culture and spend my leisure time meaningfully. It's been 4 years already, and I must return home soon. My friends are worried about my situation and ask if there is a way for me to work again in Korea. But I'm not worried because of the Faithful Workers Re-entry Employment System. Foreign workers who don't change workplaces during their stay here and work diligently before voluntarily returning home qualify as Faithful Workers for Re-entry. If those who qualify for Faithful Workers for Re-entry return to Korea in 3 months after leaving, they can work for another 4 years and 10 months. They will even be exempt from taking Korean language tests and job training before and after entering the country. For those foreigners who voluntarily return before their length of stay expires, there is the special test of proficiency in Korean. The benefit of this is that it allows swift re-entry and bypasses job training before entering the country. And for those who work for more than 1 year in their last workplace, they may even be placed at the same workplace. But wait, there's more. The employment permit system also has a program that supports workers to resettle in their home countries. The program provides customized training to work in Korean companies abroad. It also provides presentations to explain how returnees are supported and manages a returnee network to help workers adapt quickly and give them peace of mind. Although it is great to return home and see my family again, I also feel some pressure. That's because it costs a lot of money to return home, and I may be unemployed for a period of time. But still, there is one thing that reassures my heart. It's the severance pay I receive from the Departure Guarantee Insurance. The Departure Guarantee Insurance is a policy taken out by a foreign worker as the insurant or beneficiary in order to receive severance pay when they leave the country and for other reasons. Buying this insurance is compulsory for owners of workplaces who employ foreign workers, and any foreign worker who has worked for more than 1 year can qualify to receive the benefits. You can apply by declaring your scheduled departure at your nearest employment center and selecting how you wish to receive it. You will receive your departure guarantee insurance payment according to the payment method you have selected. Thanks to the wonderful opportunities from Korea's employment permit system, I was able to learn a great deal and find hope for my family members who are going through some difficult times. I am planning to apply for a job in a Korean company when I return home. Or I might return to Korea someday and sow the seeds for an even bigger dream than the one I had before. We are creating hope through the employment permit system.